GForce ZM. This is a moped-esque style of bike. Now, this is a large box, and this is the second time company sent it to me. I guess they got faith. You gotta have faith. Thing is, when you get bikes like this, the seat is already on it, so you don't have to do anything aside from kind of put the front wheel on. What is this, serious pamphlet? You know, something worth mentioning is Bafang makes motors. I'm wondering if this company actually is Bafang, because these rims are no joke. Like, that's a serious rim. It's kind of cool. Oh, that's nice. Whoa. Whoa.
Does this have 2 batteries?
Whoa. So inside of your first package, you get an extra GForce battery. And then if we're looking at the stats of it, we do have a 960 watt-hour battery at 20 amps. And then we get a charger, 2.5 amp, and it is a 20 amp battery. Ooh, so if it's pushing out the 2.5 of the 3, roughly 6 to 7 hours. And then you have 2 of these. So we get a headlight inside of here, and that is a serious headlight. You know, this bike is actually cheaper than the last GForce I did a review on, and this is built better. Pedals, carbon fiber case. Whoa, polished wrenches. The last time that I got a dual battery, they sent me 1 charger. And trying to charge 2 batteries with 1 charger, well, you guessed it, is double time. So they sent me 2 here. That's nice. Okay. The first fender we got that actually lines up with the tire. So let's fill up the tires and let's get going. All right, here we go. So we turn this on. Very nice display. Make sure you do not hold the levers down while you turn it on, because you will get an error 05. You press info, you have trip, odometer, max, average. Then you have pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gotta kind of love that those lines move when you move. So pedal assist 1, that's it. That's just max. 100%. That's it. Yeah, pedal assist has no effect. 33 miles per hour. And listen to that. Wow. Very sexy. Before I take off, I just want to talk about that display, how sexy that is. Yeah, like that is, ooh, that is nice. 0 pedal assist, let's go to 1. Oh my. Oh, hello. That display is gorgeous, by the way. Oh yeah, picks right up. Let's see. Pedal assist 1. Assist 2. Oh wow. So pedal assist 1 and 2 are torque sensors. 20 miles per hour like it's nothing. Cruise control? Yes. Oh my God. I love it. No hands. Oh my God. I love it so much. Oh, I love it. Comfortable too. Okay, by far my favorite. I feel like I'm riding on a dirt bike, honestly, or a moped. For real? 27? No way. it, I love 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 it. Oh my goodness. Wow, great brakes too. Oh my. Well, I love it, bro. Wow. Does it feel that compression? Oh, nice shocks. Yo, by far my favorite bike.
Really?
The most amount of joy I've ever had on a bike. It's like riding a motorcycle, and it's fast. You're gonna love this.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's...
It was at this moment I realized I fucked up.
You think I learned my lesson? You think? I got drone wipe your ass money. Lost the battery. Here's the propellers. This one. Now, this one did not hit a wire. This one hit a telephone pole. I think. You know what I need to do? Look, this is the last time. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn today. Here's the deal. I gotta launch it after that same, it's the same section, bro. And I had it all the way up and it lost me. That's okay. Hopefully Skydeo's like, look, we can only repair so much. This one is bad, bro.
This is still a SD card.
Yes, of course.
Where's the battery?
I have no idea.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
How did you lose the battery?
The same way I lost the drone. It just went.
What telephone pole?
It's not there.
The batteries are like $100.
I don't know. It went into the woods. I don't know.
But what?
I don't know where it went. Either way, it is gone. It is gone. First off, let me put this fluffy muffin on. You can look at my fat belly while it's fat right now. A lot of people say, Jay, you gotta lose weight, bro. You gotta lose weight. Look, I got a rower. I'm about ready to lose some serious weight. Let me talk about this bike for a moment. First off, right off the jump, the bottom battery, dead out of the box. So make sure you charge that for that length of time, 6 to 7 hours, just because it was fully depleted. This is by far, bar none, the most amount of fun that I've ever had on a bike. I felt like I was on a slow motorcycle. Now, you know me, I ride the Ducatis, the Triumphs, the 675, the triples, the speeds. I ride them all. The display on this, I love it. Torque, cruise control. You saw that, no hands. Cruising, bro, like it's nobody's business. And I wasn't nervous. Usually I'm nervous when I'm talking about electric bikes, and they're usually front top heavy. They have no counterbalance. And I can't tell you how many bikes that I've ridden where the front shocks bottom out. No dice here. You heard that going up. When I was coming up, nothing. So you're able to do those micro adjustments. The rear shock on this is not adjustable, but you do feel it. And when I was going off, not off-road, I don't want to get crazy. When I was going off on the sidewalk, you saw that speed, I almost clipped like 4 signs. So much fun I have on this bike. Is it the fastest? I don't know, man. I don't know. It said 30 miles per hour on there. Maybe. I don't even know where to begin with this. That's just my experience initial, and that's all we care about, right? When you get on something, you take that initial drive, how do you feel about it? 7-speed. You don't even care. Nobody cares. Because when you're getting a bike, you're not like, yeah, man, this is a 9/18 speed, bro. You're getting an electric bike because you want to go fast. You're not getting an electric bike to pedal it. Could you? Sure. If that's what you want to do, you could pedal this all damn day. And because the shape of this seat, you'll notice that it kind of pinnacles and it peaks out like a mountain. That's allowed for your crotch, that when you pedal, you don't get that chafe in your legs. And then you got that fatter seat in the back. What they could have done was added some rear pegs. You added some rear pegs, now you can ride 2 people. I feel like this is a dual motor. It's not, but it does have Bafang rear branded mags, if you will. So out of all the brakes you have Brembo texture. First off, I've never seen an e-bike with Brembo brakes. I'd be very interested in that. But you have all these different brands. Hydraulic brakes are hydraulic brakes. I don't care what anybody tells you. Oh, these are nice texture. It does not matter. Okay, the lever is the lever. Okay. So it does not matter what brand it is. They stop on the dime. I was a little nervous because I was going 28, and I was like, oh, if these brakes give out, I just dumped the bike. Just let it go. A lot of branding on this bike. We got GForce over here, on the other side, over here, on the other side. If you did this matte black, would look badass, but I do in fact love that red and black. I really like the display on this. A lot of information, heads-up display. Even your control section is beautiful. What would I take away from this? Really? The branding of the batteries? Usually, like, the fenders don't fit. Something's wrong. Oh, you know what? Somebody said to me, and I love it. I love the advice that someone said. Said, Jay, you know, when you used to do reviews on vapes and stuff, I love the fact that you get into the technical aspect and talk about the fit and the finish. I got you right here. The fenders on this. Check those out. Lined up perfectly. At the bottom of this video, there's a link in the description. All comparisons. This one's going to get like a big yellow bar across it, because I can't recommend this enough. Look, if you're gonna buy, other e-bike companies won't like this, but they're not gonna watch this video. If you're gonna buy any e-bike, I recommend you to buy this one. Especially at the price point that it's at. I might even have like a discount code. You know, hook it up. Word, you feel me? Man, it is so hard to say negatives about this. What are you gonna do? You wanna see if you fit on it? Okay. So this, by the way, is someone that is 5'1" with a fat ass trying to sit on it. There is no adjustability in the seat. Oh, you got it.
You hold it?
Yeah, you're good. You ain't going nowhere.
How do you, where do you put your vagina?
I don't know. I don't have one. Should I check it out? What? Yeah, that's it. So that's 5'1" sitting on the battery. You don't find the seat comfortable? What are you doing?
I don't know where to put my butt.
Anywhere on the seat. That's the purpose of the seat, is anywhere. Yep. Or you could just straddle it.
So, the seat is too big for my fat thighs.
Oh, okay.
So I can't pedal.
Okay.
But I could use the vroom vroom button.
The vroom vroom button is the key.